Olympia. It's in London. Oh yeah, baby. So, stay tuned. We're gonna show you around about cool cars.
Yeah, like I got a little bit of American accent because like I'm half Italian and half South American. So
Not so keen on this.
what happened? She was. Please stop her. She wants to get in all of the cars. Like literally.
Do you think I can get in this one?
See? She can do this again. You think I can get in this one, babe? Well, I would say yes, just for like entertaining, but probably they're gonna get angry. I don't know.
It's so cute. I think it's definitely my size.
This is her car. I swear. Like I see her in so much. See?
Okay.
This is definitely her car. Now we need to find my fucking car. Oh, sorry, I can't swear.
Right, what about that
my
one?
car.
What about that one? That's cute.
No, that
Oh
car.
my god, I love it.
That car is like great. I don't.
I give it a 5 out of 10.
This
Oh,
one,
so stubborn.
I give like the color is not enough.
No, I
Look
don't
at
like
this color
the
now. Now this color is a color. You know what I mean? Like like now this color is sexy. Like it's a nice color.
It's not.
And people are gonna stop you with that color in the street. With that one, no great, no great. But let's see, let's go around. Oh look, there is something fun to see. Hey.
Right.
We found something.
I think it's fun.
This is an electric classic car. And usually classic cars are not electric at all. But today we got one, so we're just gonna go and see what's up. See, they like upgraded it, and I think it's super cool.
Wow, that's a
And
charger.
and she's like, I want to do something as well. That's a charger.
That's the charger. Okay. I'm taking part in this video, as you know.
She wants to get the charger.
That's
Okay.
how you plug it over here.
Oh my god, can we like unplug it and plug it again?
I don't know.
For YouTube's sake.
Okay.
There is someone who's getting interviewed and we're just literally behind them doing the most. So we're just gonna move probably.
Okay.
And
Okay.
yeah,
We're
we're
going.
still
Keep
going
going.
for my car. I can't wait to show you guys. So
Sufficiently narrow that you can't get open the doors.
oh well, maybe I see it. Maybe I see it. You guys see that here they sell shoes as well or something?
I think it was for free.
Like they're cute. I'm not even gonna lie. Do we want to interview someone who's selling the shoes?
Haven't you had one earlier?
Who's selling clothes in the car show? I don't know. You need to look good. I guess when you open the car. I don't know. This is.
Do you want me to come, darling? Come on, I'll come with you. Actually,
I just don't really understand why, but I guess that's life, isn't it? But then, oh look, that's more like of a modern car though. But this is beautiful. Oh wow, this car is sexy, it's nice. She loves to record me, doesn't she? Now I can pose with this. Do we look bougie enough? Hey. Where are they? We lost them. Oh, there they are. Cover. They are moving towards a beautiful Range Rover. And we move on to them. This is beautiful.
absolutely
There is
stunning.
like some champagne as well inside. Let's have a focus. Oh yes, that's the life we want to live. You know what I mean? Oh yes.
By the way, I think they came with like free iPads. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
These iPads are up for grab, so we're just gonna take one. No.
Oh, I think I see Bradley Cooper over there.
Can we play some
Bradley
music?
Cooper over there.
I put like Spotify.
Like over there.
It's not fine, but I could do a cheeky hotspot.
Oh, where did he go? No, it doesn't look like Bradley Cooper. No, it doesn't at all.
It's actually like modern music. Maybe we can.
Is it? Can you put it? Oh my god! Can you put the music?
Funny.
Put it so loud.
Yeah. I can't. You can. Please, Pat. No, please. Like, what? Put it on. Oh my gosh. I see why you're laughing now. Wait, put music. You know what?
Connected up.
Oh, for God's sake. No, yeah. It's not, but there's a lot of music. But I guess we're just gonna have to listen to it, you know.
And we're going to move on to the next.
We're just gonna move on to the next one because you almost killed us.
This is the one that we got in. The six-wheeler.
Okay, so now
No, we already done it.
to my car.
What do you like that car? Anyway, he just said, oh, it's not connected.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's not because it was offline.
Or should we get, we've already got this one, let's get into this one.
Oh my god, yeah, let's get in this car.
What about the other one? What about the other one?
This one.
No, we already got in that one.
But I didn't though. These girls are so selfish. I don't understand. Like, no, I got in that one. It doesn't matter if you didn't.
You come when you're in here.
Oh yeah.
Oh look, we can get in the boot.
Oh, okay.
We're back. How about the green?
Back to stage.
How about the green?
How about the green? Why not?
Oh, well done. You can open it. You can get on your side.
Right guys, let's all get in.
I can get on the other side.
There is.
Hold up.
All right. This is for the handle. Okay. But this is for the handle. Yeah.
Now all of a sudden we got everyone looking at this car. What is last? Because like they might think this is my car for real, which I wouldn't. I would say why not? Why not?
Oh, hang on. You filming me?
I don't want to get out of this car.
Okay, you can
I
see
wanna
it's
stay
got
here.
open roof. See that? Oh, jeez.
It was me. I thought it wasn't working. But hey, we got everyone's attention. How about that?
Oh my god.
Everyone look at me. Oh my god. Oh, they're taking pictures of us. Taking pictures of us.
Okay.
Worst picture ever. I mean,
Right, I'm out of trouble.
They love me. That's what it's like. See, either way.
pictures like
Peony, let's just look
it's like on people
around. They're just very amused by this guy. Get in the back.
What were you doing at the back?
Get in the back.
I'm not sitting in the back.
I sit on the top. In the front.
Oh.
Astrid, just get in the back. Come on, get in the back. You can talk about the back. And how
Oh, what am I talking about the back? Oh yeah, you can put a dog in it. Oh, a cups holder.
You know what?
Cups holder.
I'll say everyone be like on the move.
No, you can't. Sorry.
So it's a Jeep.
Is it?
You're back to you.
Yes. Look at me.
Hi, James.
We're just taking a picture.
These just come near the vehicle.
We just like to pretend.
Can't get them out. Look better. Not intentionally.
Oh well, let's not pretend it was not your idea.
Yeah, it was itself.
But he told us too, so we could, you know. Yeah. Of course we're here to sell. Our friend is shook. He's like,
We are.
They're taking over our car.
yeah, we're doing a YouTube channel, but he's not really amused that we don't really know much. Well, you know what? We are here to learn. Allow it.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Allow us to learn something. He's explaining.
It is, yes. King's Road, and you're trying to
Okay. Is this open as well or not?
I like this one.
Yeah, it's the same thing actually.
Look at the sound system.
Hey, cute.
I think
Oh my god, the other mask great. We ain't moving from here. Oh my god, we found the other girls. Look, they're there. Look at them.
Why they
We should
carry?
all get in.
Hang on, why
Like,
they carrying
they're
the
like
bags?
copying us. Like,
They're carrying their bags though. Oh no.
maybe they're doing something more productive. I don't know. Matter of fact, you know what? You can tell us something about the car because we're taking like a vlog
On the 6x6.
on the 6x6.
Yeah, the big 6-wheeler over there.
So we want to know something about this car actually because we've been in this car for 20 minutes. So, oh wow, someone else is getting in. Tell us, what's your name?
Hi guys, I'm James, the Test Truck Company.
There's the microphone. Yeah, yes, I can.
That's my phone. Hi guys, I'm James from the Test Truck Company. So I've been kidnapped by your team here to talk about this car against my will, but I'll do it anyway.
But it's true though.
So yeah, it's true. So yeah, this is one of our green Jeep Wranglers, 5-door. It's fully convertible. Really cool bit of kit.
It's fully convertible.
Fully convertible. All this comes off.
No way.
Rollers underneath as well. Yeah, it's awesome. It's got a 3D textured green paint. Available in green, black, or
I'm
pink.
hungry.
Pink one as well. I think you guys are really.
You got a pink one. Where is it?
It's not here today, I'm afraid.
Why?
So we bring that one to kind of like fashion shows, things like that. But but it's a really cool car, fully bespoke.
Like that.
I do. I do.
Come on. And that's the company. There we go. In Chelsea. You know, if you brought your car here, the pink one, everyone would be taking pictures.
I don't know if they would.
No, trust me. And they will post it on Instagram as well.
We bring it to fashion shows.
Bring it to my fashion show.
Yeah.
No problem. Thank you so much, James.
Thank you, James.
No worries. Thank you very much.
See you later.
See you later.
I just need to go bother people around, really.
Do you think we can find another James?
We need to find another James.
Yeah, exactly.
Another guy who has like a patience like
exactly. Yeah. And definitely the one that we can get into. Okay. It's
Oh yeah,
fun.
because we had so much fun.
Exactly.
I can't believe he also has a pink one and he didn't bring it here. He said that he has a whole pink one.
Exactly.
I told him, you know how many pictures?
oh.
It would have been the most
We
banging
got another
car.
girls over there.
Yeah,
doing
it's fine,
their
but we are
job. Doing
It's
their
alright.
job. Okay.
But we're doing a better job.
Okay. Keep going.
Cool. So